Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the no rules portfolio where I can do whatever I want in it. I can buy, share, blah. Again, why am I having such a hard problem talking tonight? I can buy and sell whatever, no matter how risky or how safe. And anyways, there has been activity. As you know, I sold PG&E last week for a nice 184% profit. I do still own GE though. Current value is $757.29 with $0 in cash. I have deposited a whopping $500, which means we are up by $257.29 or 51.46%. Thank you, PG&E. Anyways, there's been some activity here. I did not deposit any money, but we actually had a sell and a dividend. Very odd, right? Considering the no rules portfolio pretty much had 0 dividends. All right. I mean, we had SOI, but they did not pay us. So just to show you here, GE decided to give me $14.26. Yeah, let that settle in. A company who's not doing so well and has a actual dividend of 1 penny every quarter, so 4 cents a year, paid out, or at least I earned, $14.26 in dividends. Let me go back to it. Sorry, wrong one. $14.26 in earned dividends from General Electric. So where did these dividends come from? Well, I have no idea. But I have my suspicions, as the next day, I think it was the next day, we gained 0.18228 shares at $73 a share of Westinghouse Air Brake Technologies Corporation. This was actually spun off from GE. So I received these shares from General Electric. And then they were automatically sold because I didn't have them in my portfolio and didn't put them there because I had no idea this was happening until it happened. Anyways, I received those shares of Westinghouse and I sold them for $13.29. So great, I got free $13.29 from GE. That's awesome. But then I also apparently got $14.26 in dividends. Now my suspicion is, and I don't know why this would happen, as even, how do I put this? As Westinghouse didn't have a dividend that big or anything. I think that it was just part of the spinoff that generated these dividends. But I don't know why, how, or what. If any of you out there own General Electric, let me know if you actually earn dividends from them. Like a large amount, not just pennies. Yeah, because that's rather interesting to me. I mean, I own 30 shares, and actually I haven't even updated this. I actually own more than that. Sorry about that. I own 35.46372 shares of General Electric. So I got 14 bucks. That comes to like 92 cents or something. Let's see. And actually, we'll just figure this one from last week. All right. So that's how many shares I owned last week. Actually, let's take that. Go dividends. 14.26. We're going to divide that by the number of shares I owned last week. That's a 46.7 cent dividend. At least. So I don't know where the money came from. I guess I'm not complaining, especially if it actually shows up in my account someday and I get paid that. But yeah, for some reason I earned $14.26 from General Electric that has a dividend of 1 cent. So yeah, I don't know how that worked out. I'm not even going to go over the yearly because, like I said, there's nothing really to show here. This is all from last week. Yeah, from the sell and stuff last week. I guess I should do it because I actually did have a sell and buy, but I didn't update it, so I'm not doing it this week. Sorry, guys. I will make sure that this is all updated next week. But anyways, yeah, that's what's happened in this portfolio so far. Anyway, thanks to PG&E sale and a little extra cash coming in, I guess, from General Electric, we are up to 51.46% in gains on this portfolio. So no rules. I think I'm doing pretty good on no rules, just making some decisions here and there and some risky maneuvers. So there you have it. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.